Hello darlings, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I'm in the picturesque, quiet and authentic town of Avileses. This is a town that is located in the region of Murcia. Today I'm going to be showing you the last townhouse within a development that I just couldn't wait to show. The actual townhouse is on a plot of 117 square meters, whilst the actual house itself is 112 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is distributed on 2 floors with a solarium. Can't beat the price, can't beat the quality, so we thought we'd show you today. Let's kick off the tour. As you come in from the street level through the pedestrian entrance, you're immediately within the grounds of the home. This is actually a terrace, but because it does actually also have the vehicle gate, you could quite easily drive your vehicle onto this space and have your vehicle within the grounds of your property. As it is also at the front of the home, however, you do also have this space dedicated to use as an outdoor terrace on the ground floor. It provides you with a square swimming pool with gentle steps that lead down on one side and give you access with a deeper side on the other side. What's really nice as well is they have also incorporated an outdoor shower for the comfort of the swimmers. And so this would also be the entry point for your front door. So as we go in through the front door, we are going in through a robust security door into what is a warm, bright, modern and inviting open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, the space offers 32 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.65 metres. Stood here in the living room area, I'm met with lots of natural sunlight as you have large patio doors on one side, letting in plenty of that, and also giving you direct access to the terrace and the swimming pool. The living room leads really nicely to your dining space. Here they have a table that is set to dine for. And then from the dining space, you have also that nice connectivity to the kitchen. The open plan kitchen features a peninsula, and within the peninsula you have enough breakfast bar space for 2. What I like about it is it gives you lots of countertop space if you do like to cook and still feel interconnected with your family, but then you also have your storage cabinets underneath. On this side, as a continuation of your kitchen, you also have some more things that are hidden, like your dishwasher. You also have the kitchen sink here. You have your cabinetry running above as well as below on this side. And then you have your cooking hob, the extractor and the integrated microwave, and below the oven. On this side, your hidden built-in is your refrigerator and your freezer. All of your electrical appliances are included and they are a standard Balay. For convenience and ease, they've decided to fit it also with a storage room, which I think is really handy near the kitchen because you could even potentially use it as a pantry. And also they've thought about functionality for this side of the space, giving you a multifunctional rear patio that gives you an additional 12 square metres for you to use at your will. What I also like about it is they've thought about the specifications of the home in the sense that this would be the place where you can see the aerothermal boiler. But the specifications with the home doesn't stop there. So throughout the home, you also have hot and cold air conditioning that is pre-installed. You also have access to your intercom, which we will walk past shortly, LED lighting, and also shutters. So now I'm going to take you to where you will find more if you like the idea of a single level lifestyle. Coming into this hallway here, it gives you direct access to the guest bathroom, which is really nice with the interior design that they've gone for with the tiles and is also fully equipped. It leads to the opposite end of the hall, which takes you to the first bedroom, which could quite easily be used as your guest bedroom or even as an office space. This bedroom offers 12 square metres. On one side you have your built-in wardrobes, and on the other side you have patio doors that give you direct access to the swimming pool. Coming up to the first floor, this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. First of all, I'm going to take you to the first bedroom on this floor, which would be the second bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright with a similar interior feel. It offers 10 square metres. On one side, as you can see, you have patio doors that lead to beautiful terrace, giving you spellbinding panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and a spot to have some sunshine. You also have on this wall here in front of you the built-in wardrobes as well. Taking you back into the hall, and there is also access to the main bathroom on this floor. But what I like about this bathroom is they've equipped it in such a way that it also works as an ensuite for the primary. Taking you now into the primary suite, and this space has been again dedicated to having a similar feel. You have altogether 13 square metres of living space. And on one side you have your built-in wardrobes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you now to the terrace, because the primary suite and the other bedroom share the same terrace. What I like about it is it's giving you an extra 20 square metres on this floor to be able to enjoy not only the climate but the opportunity to be outdoors. I really think it's just really nice how this is obviously very demonstrative of what you would call a typical Spanish town, in the sense that it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's surrounded by agricultural lands, groves, fields, but in the distance there you can see the beautiful mountain ranges as well. Coming to the upper floor, and just in case you actually wanted a little bit more outdoor living space, don't worry, I've got you covered. This would be your upper floor solarium, giving you an additional 40 square metres to use at your will. If you enjoy the outdoor climate, why not do so up here? You have installation if you would like it for other things, if you're thinking of a summer kitchen or a jacuzzi or any kind of chill out zone, you can do that. But it also gives you panoramic views of this particular location, as well as the peace of the village. Who'd have thought that I was like a secret baker? This is wonderful to be able to get a little bird's eye view behind the scenes of an old traditional bakery that's been here since 1890 and still uses firewood to cultivate their bread today. So look at this wonderful, great long wooden stick. Just love it. I could just stay in a bakery all day. It's like the dream of mine to marry a baker. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €350 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this is a great townhouse with lots of the specifications needed for day-to-day convenience and comfort already included, and being the last one, this is a real steal. And obviously people have expressed interest in this particular development recently, which is why they only have one more left to offer. What I also really like about it is it's quintessentially what you would call a quiet Spanish town. That being said, they do have their festivals and their events going on throughout the calendar year. They also have their market days, and everything is within easy reach, just like any other Spanish town nearby. What's great though is that if you prefer to live inland and not so close to the sea, then it might be the perfect suit for you, in the sense that you are not too far away from the city of Murcia, which is just 30 minutes away, as well as its airport. You also have great access as well, if you like it, to the province of Alicante, which is not too far away. What's wonderful about this particular area is if you like natural landscapes, hiking, walking, cycling and more, then it's got great things to do outdoors. So if you do like the listing and you'd like to know more, then please come to our website, which is spainhomes.estate, Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was great to see you again, and I will see you next time. Hasta pronto!